The past simple tense is a key aspect of English grammar that is often used to talk about completed actions in the past. In the context of successful conservation projects, the past simple tense is frequently employed to reflect on the actions taken, the achievements made, and the impact created. In this essay, we will explore various successful conservation projects from around the world and discuss how the past simple tense is used to describe their accomplishments. One notable example of a successful conservation project is the reintroduction of the gray wolf into Yellowstone National Park in the United States. In the 1990s, a program was launched to reintroduce wolves into the park, where they had been exterminated in the early 20th century. Through careful planning and collaboration, wolves were successfully reintroduced, leading to a cascade of positive ecological impacts. The project was completed in the past, and we can use the past simple tense to describe the actions taken, such as the capture and relocation of wolves, the monitoring of their progress, and the eventual establishment of a stable wolf population in the park. Similarly, the conservation efforts to save the black rhinoceros in Africa provide another example of successful conservation in the past. Due to poaching and habitat loss, black rhino populations had declined drastically, leading to their classification as critically endangered. Conservation organizations and governments worked together to implement anti-poaching measures, establish protected areas, and relocate rhinos to safer habitats. These actions were completed in the past, and we can use the past simple tense to highlight the successful conservation efforts that led to the recovery of black rhino populations. In conclusion, the past simple tense is an essential tool for reflecting on successful conservation projects and the actions taken to protect and restore endangered species and ecosystems. By using this tense to describe completed actions and achievements, we can showcase the impact of conservation efforts and inspire further action to preserve our planet's biodiversity.